Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome. I hope that everyone is doing well. I have to say I am coming to you this evening where it is storming outside. So let's just hope and pray that we can get through all of this and that Mother Nature will cooperate. So today I am bringing you a review of another Angelina Jordan performance. Moon River was composed by Henry Mancini, and the lyrics were written by Johnny Mercer for Audrey Hepburn in her performance in the Breakfast at Tiffany movie that was released in 1961. This song brought them an Academy Award for Best Original Song. Then, Andy Williams performed the song in 1962, which led to two more awards in the Grammys, that being Record of the Year as well as Song of the Year. Andy Williams also made this his theme song for his televised variety show. It is said that the lyrics to this song was inspired by Mercer's reminiscing about his childhood in Savannah and his memories of the waterways during a time when life was simple and carefree. Today, Angelina Jordan brings us back to 1961 with her version of Moon River.
One river wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend. Moon River and me.
Yeah, let me just start by saying that I always thought that Audrey Hepburn was such a beautiful woman. But Angelina, do you guys see her? She is absolutely beautiful. Now, the scene from Breakfast at Tiffany's features Audrey Hepburn on either a balcony or fire escape in New York City, where she is strumming a guitar and singing this song. And even though she is surrounded by the glitz and the glam and the lights of big city New York, on the inside, she is still a small town girl. Angelina singing this song was like a love song to the past, where she gives us this feeling that we just want to go back there and sit and just stay in it for a while. It was a time that was easy and a lot simpler. Once again, Angelina proves that she is the master lyrical storyteller. This song actually reminds me of Angelina's original Oslo, where no matter where life takes you and how big and glamorous it gets, on the inside, she will always be Oslo. So guys, thank you so much again for joining me for such another beautiful, beautiful, beautiful performance by Angelina. It was such a simple song, but that Angelina voice and expression once again just takes it to an all new level. So if you enjoyed this song as much as I did, please do give it a thumbs up and please do share. And remember to stay safe, healthy, and encouraged. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do me the honor of doing so. That subscription button is below, and also please do remember to hit that notification bell. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. Thank you so much.